Hello guys, so we are still at Kisumu County, Sondu to be specific, and we are still going on with the work. The one we are doing the renovation, not even a renovation as per se, but it's just finishing of a one-bedroom house which had not been finished, and now we are doing the gypsum, we are doing the tilings, we're doing the kitchen and also the paint work, just giving it a better look on so that it can look like a house. The issue with this house are quite a number of them. One, let me show you. So this is the house, so you can as well see the roofing. The roofing is an issue, like I said yesterday, because the company which supplied this guy this with the iron sheet, they didn't give him a correct iron sheet. Then again, these people, they don't give you even a warrant. You can't complain. So the color was gray, now it's not gray, it's an other color. I don't know how to call it, but it's not gray. So it's better to one is better to check on the company when you are buying the iron sheet. So go for the quality, go for the better companies. Also, you can involve those who knows, those guys who at least understand this thing in the field well, so they can guide you. So also it's good to involve those at least who have the know-how on these issues when you are building, so that you can avoid a lot of issues. You can also avoid losing money. But in this case, we'll see on what, because it has changed color completely. Maybe if we can get, maybe we are thinking maybe of repainting the roof so that it doesn't look that bad. So that one we'll see with it. But at the moment, we are only doing the renovation. The paint work we have not started. We have started with the electrical, and also we have we are doing the gypsum at the moment, and also the plumbing work, so that other things can come earlier. So this one here is the washroom, so we are going to do that. But also another challenge which came with this is this guys, this is the septic tank. The septic tank, they did it at a bad location, which cannot help. Like this area is hilly. This one is hilly, and this one is a lower point. So there is no gravity. So there's no way you can get the water to run from this side going up to this point. It is deep, it is big, quite big, which is very good, but it was done in a wrong place, because it's against the flow, the gravity. It's against the gravity. Sorry. So another thing we are going to do, we are going to do another one here at this point. So from this point here, at least there will be flow. It will be direct from the washroom to this point. Then again is there will be an extension from the upper end, so there will be a lot of flow here. Then again from this end again here, this point, we are going to do a water tower, so that it can supply the water into the house. So those are the issues. So there sometimes when you are awake, like my client is not around, dealing with the people. Sometimes they are quite hard, because you can see since he was not around, this guy messed up. So this means he has lost money, and also he has lost money plus time. It's quite expensive, because if this one we're going to demolish and block it, he is willing, because he will be doing the extension of the house on this part, and also you are going to do another one the other side. So waste of material, waste of money, waste of time. So it's quite something else. So like the had inside the house is a bit dark, so we are not going to go inside. To maybe later I'll show you. But here, this window, it's an open kitchen, so there is a kitchen here. So currently we are looking at where we are going to do the plumbing from that end to here. Another thing, as you can see, also there was a problem here, because the guy who did this never thought of the gravity as well, because they did when they were doing the tank, they put it in the bad location. So when if you can see, the tank is on the hilly place, and the house is bigger part is on the other side, so the water can't flow well to the tank. So most of the time you find the ridges are the water can't flow. Like you see that point, it means the water has been pouring from that point. There is a point here, let me show you. So from this point, it means the water has been pouring from this point. That's where it bends like that. So these are the things we say when the client is not around. Sometimes people might mess you up, but we are going to rectify all those mistakes. So from here, I think you can see the color of the iron sheet well. So this is what we are working on. Yeah, so we are going to work on that, and also we are going to make sure everything is okay. This tank, we will relocate it to the other end. Maybe that one, after finishing everything, we'll do that later. So currently, what we have done, like you see, even these ones, this because there have been an issue with the flow of water. So that's why this one, it has been like that. It had to be given support. So these are the things we are making sure they work, they function well. So currently we have mounted this, a bit of work which was done today. So this one is still, we have not finished with it. So tomorrow there will be a lot of work going on that one. So even this one we are going to, here we will do later. We'll also do a glass, so we'll give it a frame. Yeah, so that's what we have to work on. Yeah, I think you can see from here, it's showing very well. There's a bit of colors, two colors. Remember, it was one color, it was a gray in color, but now you can see there's a darker place, there's a bit lighter color. So the only thing which can we can't remove all the iron sheet, but we can only do paint. We will do a spray paint, or need to give it a better look after finishing everything. So yeah, that's what we have. So these are my guys, the plumber guy. We are doing some calculations to know how much pipes we need, and any other things that we might need there. So I don't know if this one will be, I think we can still see it. So we have started with these ones. The electrical works have been finished. So this is what we have done. It's a bit dark. It's very dark. It can't be seen. Yeah, so also we are going to, on the lower part, also we are going to make sure these things is not seen there. So either we are going to do tiles on the lower side. We're still debating on that, whatever, because we are working on a budget, so whichever which will be cheapest is what we will work on. So either we can whatever is cheaper is what we'll work on. So currently that's what's going on here. Yeah, so, and also these ones we are going to remove. All this soil is going to be removed. So up to there, guys. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you for giving me support throughout. If you have not done your subscription, please do so, because it really helped me and growing this channel, and also it will make my videos reach many people. Yeah, we are working on it bit by bit, so please, for those who are returning subscribers, thank you very much. Continue supporting me. We are here to serve the humanity, and that's my goal, to make sure that we all have the information that we need, and we all do the right thing, so that we don't mess up with our projects, and also to give a service to our neighbors, and also give back to the community. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and also share the video, give your comment, because I also need to know your thoughts on these things, on how to make things work better, on how to ensure that we don't lose money, because I always give you tips, I always give you information, but my main goal is to make sure that we don't lose money. You save as much as possible, so that you can use on other things. And also we also give information where you can buy things when you want to do your constructions, and the qualities which are better. So a lot of people, a lot of my subscribers, and some even I don't think, and a lot of my subscribers have been receiving calls and information concerning some issues which I will address very soon. Yesterday I saw someone sent me a text asking about the cabinet, the wardrobe. So I'll also do another video about the cabinet. Already I done one earlier, but maybe it was not efficient enough to give all the information. So I'll give a quotation of a 1-bedroom, and also the whole of it, the kitchen, everything. Like this one, like I said, after we have completed this house, I'll do a video on that, and giving you the quotation of this house up to now until it is well finished. So stay tuned and watch for the next video. It will be amazing, and thank you for now. And it's the evening here. It's around 6 in the evening, around 6:45 actually, to be precise. So it's we have called it a wrap. So I'll see you in the next video, maybe tomorrow. And for now, bye, ciao.